Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any tablet, any smartphone or any other gadget, in that case the next big sale will be Republic Day sale on Flipkart and Amazon.in. Many people are curious to know about the dates of the upcoming sale. In this video I will disclose the dates from which the sale will start and the last date up to which it will last. Actually, after Big Billion Day sale and Diwali sale, there wasn't very good sale on tablets and smartphones, and people are waiting for the next big sale when they can get great discounts on tablets and smartphones. The Republic Day sale will start from 13th of January and it will last up to 19th of January 2025 on Flipkart.com and Amazon.in. However, this date may vary 1 or 2 days, but it will definitely start in the third week of January. So if you are planning to buy any tablet, you have to buy that tablet or smartphone when the sale will start, and if you delay to buy any product, in that case the price of that product will definitely increase and you have to buy that product at a higher price. Now many users want to know about the card details. Actually there is no confirmation yet which card will be available for discounts on Flipkart and Amazon.in. Actually many users want to buy many tablets such as iPad 10th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP, Samsung Galaxy A9 and A9 Plus, Oneplus Pad and Oneplus Pad 2, MI Pad 6, Redmi Pad Pro, Poco Pad 5G and many other tablets. Actually, I have made dedicated videos about the pricing and the best price of each and every tablet. So if you have not watched that video or those videos, you can check out the channel and you will know the best price of each and every tablet, so that you don't miss the deal whenever there is discount on any tablet or smartphone. I regularly post videos on tablets and their pricing and the best features. So if you are interested to buy any tablet, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any one video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.